wow, what a beautiful magical shell. I wonder if it can transport me to the magical lands my grandmother always talks about.
That's a lip sync video I did with a free AI tool. Now, in as much as there are so many AI tools for image and video generations, the options remain very limited when it comes to lip sync. And even with the few that are available, it's actually hard to find one that actually does the job really well. So in today's video, I will share with you 3 lip sync AI tools that anyone can get started with right away. Before we get into the video though, if you want to see more videos on AI tools and how to use them to make your everyday work easier, then hit that subscribe button. Also remember to like and share this video so that more people can benefit from it. Without wasting time, let's get started. The first tool is Hedra. Now you can go ahead and sign up using any email address that you have. So once you're in, this is what you'll see. So we have the video, image, and library. So basically the library is where you'll find all your creations. Right here in the model option, what you need is the Hedra character 3. Don't worry about the rest. Either way, they do not offer the lip sync option. So once you've chosen Hedra character 3, now you can go ahead and upload the image that you want to use as well as the audio script. Now, unfortunately with Hedra, you can only start from an image. You cannot use a video for now. So now I'll go ahead and click on the audio script option. So this way I can go ahead and upload my audio script. Again, you can go ahead and create your own audio script right here on the platform. It's totally up to you, but since I have my own, I'll just upload it. Next, I'll go ahead and upload my image. Again, you can go ahead and create your own image right here on the platform. But since I already have my own, I'll just go ahead and upload the image that I want to use. So once both have been uploaded, then you can just go ahead and input a prompt. Again, you can choose to leave it blank, but in my case, I feel like it's always good to give it a bit of direction. So I'll just go ahead and input a simple prompt right here of how I want my video to turn out. So once you've input the prompt that you want to go with, now you can just hit the generate button. And this is just going to go ahead and cue the prompt for you. As you can see, we are told that the wait time is around 4 hours. So don't worry about that. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be that long. So just hit on continue and then just let it go ahead and cue the prompt for you. So this is going to take a couple of minutes. So I'll just go ahead and cue the next image that I want to use. So I'll be testing each of these tools with just 2 images or 2 videos, exact ones. So now I'll just go ahead and upload the second one. So again, I have uploaded my script and now I can just go ahead and upload my image as well. So I'll just go ahead and do that. So here is the image that I want to use. Again, once it's been uploaded, now I can just go ahead and input a prompt for this. So right here is my prompt and now I can just go ahead and click on the create button. So this is just going to queue both jobs at once so that it can save me a bit of time. After waiting for a couple of minutes, both videos are ready. Of course, it did not take the 4 hours that they talked about. So here is the first video and here is the second video. So let me just open this up for you to see.
Oh wow, what a beautiful magical shell. I wonder if it can transport me to the magical lands my grandmother always talks about.
So that's pretty neat, right? Now let's go ahead and look at the second video as well.
Am I crazy? Or is someone following me? Well, ladies and gentlemen, looks like I'm just crazy.
As you can see, the lip sync on both videos is actually really good. And the best part is that once you download your videos, they are not going to have any watermarks. As you can see, I'm on a free account and my videos didn't have a single watermark on them. Now onto our second AI tool, and that is Magic Hour. So I'll go ahead and create my account from this button right here. And once you're here, you can just go ahead to the lip sync option. As you can see, there are all these features that you can go ahead and make use of. But in my case, I'm only interested in the lip sync option. So I'll go over to the lip sync option and I'll just go ahead and click on that. So once you do that, then this page is just going to open up and you can go ahead and upload your video. So with Magic Hour, you can start from a video instead of an image like Hedra. So once your video has been uploaded, then you have an option to go ahead and upload your audio, or you can just go ahead and make use of any of these other options. In my case, I'll be uploading my own audio. And once that is done, again, just go ahead and click on render video. And this is just going to start generating your video. So this is going to take just a few minutes. As you can see here, it says 4 minutes, so that's about right. And here is our video. It's ready now. Let's just look at it.
Oh wow, what a beautiful magical shell. I wonder if it can transport me to the magical lands my grandmother always talks about.
So that's quite interesting. I feel like it did tamper a bit with the quality of the video, and also I feel like the lip sync was not really perfect. But let's go ahead and do the same for the next video, the same video that you're using again. So let's upload this video of our man, and now we can click on the next step, and this time we'll go ahead and upload our audio. So once the audio has been uploaded, then you can go ahead and click on render video. Now remember, there are all these other options that you can go ahead and make use of in case you do not have your own audio file. So now I'll just go ahead and fast forward this part. Again, this is going to take like 4 minutes. So now once the video is ready, I'll just go ahead and click on the download button. So let's go ahead and look at it.
Am I crazy? Or is someone following me? Oh well, ladies and gentlemen, looks like I'm just crazy.
So I think it's pretty impressive that they did not cut out the part where the man turns and looks behind. Now with this tool, you'll need to go ahead and get a paid plan because it's going to be pretty hard to get around that kind of watermark. So let's go over to our third tool, and that is Pixverse. So with Pixverse, you're going to have to go to the speech option. So right up here, we have the image of text. We have effects, transition, and then sound and speech. So you need to click on speech. And now you can go ahead and get started right from a video. So in this case, you'll just go ahead and upload our first video. So let me just go ahead and do that. Now, once the video has been uploaded, you can go ahead and upload our own audio file, or you can go ahead and create one right here on the platform. So I'll go ahead and upload my very own audio file. So once that has been done, you can now go ahead and click on create, and this is just going to start creating the lip sync video for us. So the process for this is actually pretty fast. It's just going to take a couple of seconds. So I'll just go ahead and fast forward this part. And now the video is ready. Let me just go ahead and download it so that you can see it on a bigger screen.
Oh wow, what a beautiful magical shell. I wonder if it can transport me to the magical lands my grandmother always talks about.
So I think that's really good. I love the fact that you can get started right from a video because it gives you so much creative freedom for that. Now let's go ahead and upload a different video. So I'll just go ahead and upload the second video that we were using earlier on. So again, in this case, I'll just go ahead and click on this button right here. And once that's done, then I can click on local file. Then I can just go ahead and choose the file that I want to use. Again, once that has been uploaded, I'll go ahead and upload my own audio file. Remember, you can always go ahead and create one right here on the platform if you do not have one. Once I upload the audio file, next, I'll just go ahead and hit on the create button. Again, this is just going to take a few seconds to create the video. So let me just fast forward this part. So the video is ready now. I'll just go ahead and download it.
Am I crazy? Or is someone following me? Oh well, ladies and gentlemen, looks like I'm just crazy.
The lip sync for this is actually really good, but they actually did cut out the part where the man turns and looks behind. I don't know why they did that, but other than that, I think the lip sync is actually really good. So with Pixverse, you can create a lip sync video from a video, an image, or even a text. So let me show you how to do it through a text. So you'll just go over to the image or text option, then go ahead and input your prompts. Next, go to the bottom and click on auto speech, and you're going to input what you want your character to be saying right here. So if you're using an image, the same applies. You can just go ahead and attach your image, then input what you want them to say. And next, you can choose the voiceover that you want, but for me, I'll leave it on auto. Then just hit on create. As you can see, the video is ready. So let's just go ahead and look at it.
Oh wow, what a beautiful magical shell. I wonder if it can transport me to the magical...
So the video is actually good, other than the fact that we cannot see the girl talking. But basically, that's how you do it from a text right here on Pixverse. Now let's go on to our last tool, and that is Runway. So with Runway, I actually wasn't able to do much because all I got was that the video had too much light changes in light, so they could not generate the video, which was quite a disappointment. But with the next video, they actually did try to create something. So this is the video that I got.
Am I crazy? Or is someone following me? Well, ladies and gentlemen, looks like I'm just crazy.
So looks like Runway also cut out the part where the man looks behind. As you can see, now he's walking backwards. That's pretty weird. All the same, I think I expected something way better with Runway. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions about this or concerns, make sure you put them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.